Yeah, alright, what's up guys? I'm going to do an update on my Losi Lmts. To show you guys some more parts I installed. On the Gravedigger here, I ended up putting the 10mm hex adapters on there. They extend out 10mm, the green. Also the axles on here, I got them from China on eBay. They come from China. They're really nice. For the C-hubs, when you install the C-hub on there, you're going to have to change out the screws that came in the original plastic axles. And you're going to have to get some shorter ones. Or else you'll find they won't tighten on and they'll be loose. So if you guys order any of these parts off eBay from China, make sure you just get the shorter screws. Just go to your local hobby shop. Because once I tighten, when I use the old screws from the old plastic, it just, like I said, these were loose and wiggly. Because it wasn't tightening down, they were too long. But other than that, they're great parts. And the axles went on just fine. And again, I made the wheelbase on there. It's like an extra 20mm now. Gives it a wider stance. Now this is the one, this is the roller that I bought. I mean, I put a lot of extra goodies on here, like you'll see in the other videos. Got the 10mm hex adapters on there too to extend the wheelbase. I also just installed the Treal sway bars. These things are awesome. And again, I'm running Vidavon axles, the Treal transmission and gear cover. And I'm going back to using the 2020 Raptor edition body. You know, I got the Gravedigger, but you got to have a Bigfoot. So I got the paints to paint this up like the 2020 Bigfoot. Another cool thing, guys, is if you buy this body, the Raptor body, you see I got a motor down in there. I think it's a J Concepts, just a top blower, and it mounted down in there. But if you notice on the new Bigfoot, it has a motor cover, and that piece of plastic there was just a spare piece that I cut off the shell. I mean, it was down here somewhere. And it also has Ford on it, so once I paint it, you'll be able to see it real good. But I want to make it look scale like the truck they're running. Yeah, too cool. The Losi Lmts are probably some of my favorite RC trucks. I mean, I got a Bigfoot there, but that's a Traxxas Stampede with the J Concepts 3.3s on there. And of course, I got all the aluminum bulkheads, aluminum transmission, hot racing parts. So everything's been upgraded. Truck sure looks pretty cool. Hot racing drive shafts. Everything's been upgraded on it. But alright, next video I'll do, I'm going to end up painting this shell. Like I said, I'm going to use the white, blue, and red Testors paint. Polycarbonate paint. See, I got a 4-wheel steering on the Gravedigger. I used a really strong servo in the rear, and it's got some high torque on there because when you upgrade to 4-wheel steering and you punch it, your back tires want to kind of move around, makes the truck a little swirly. So I put a hot racing heavy duty servo saver with a high torque servo. And for the front, what is that? It's a Power Hobby brushless servo, high voltage. And this one's got high speed. And again, the hot racing heavy duty servo saver. Alright, I'll get you guys a video once I get this one painted up. Alright, later.